Good. Right, good. Anyone on the resolution? I do.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
My name is Judge Garver. Your name is Sammy David Lewis, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So you brought in a couple charges today for driving while intoxicated, your second, and driving with your license valid with previous convictions.
On my blood contents.
I know that'll be coming back at a later date. It take the head to go to the lab. Basically, what I'm doing here today is reading you your rights, and this is not a admission of guilt. It's just telling you what you've been charged of, and then you'll be able to make a phone call and stuff as soon as I get out of here. All right. Okay. So you got two charges here. I'm not going to read this to you twice. I'm just going to read you once. I'm going to tell you the driving while intoxicated second is a class A misdemeanor. And the driving without license valid, the previous convictions is a class D misdemeanor, okay? All right, so we're gonna go through this. Some of these questions are silly, but we gotta do them, okay? All right.
I thought this better life was over. It's hard to get touched off and get that taken care of every time. I'm talking about 2 years on it, better than 2 years. I thought it was going, let's say, let's say, goes out 6 months. Like I got it June, no, it was, November 26, 25. It took me out driving more till May 13th, 26. So in June, now it's going, I thought that was over.
Well, that may,
I wouldn't be driving, I just I've been walking for the last 3 or 4 months.
right.
Yeah, the guy just been get his car out. They will get temporary deal, temporary sticker.
Maybe you can get it checked out, and maybe, if it does check out, you can get dropped.
Yeah, but yeah, I just said to Boston, he started calling. Oh, he didn't hold him there. He talked to the first.
Right. All right, for this class, this is a class A for the driving while intoxicated, and class B, like I said, for driving while license valid. Are you able to speak and understand the English language?
Yeah.
Are you hearing impaired?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
I'll try to speak up.
Then,
All right, you have the right to an attorney, have him or her present prior to any interviewing or question about these officers or attorneys representing the state. You'll have reasonable time to consult your attorney before being interviewed by any attorney, or consult your attorney if you desire to before they interview you. You cannot afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You have present prior to any board work. Right, so you request the appointment of an attorney. All right, you have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, any statement you make can be used against you in court. You have the right to stop interviewing and questioning at any time. Are you a citizen of the United States?
yes.
You're available for driving without a license. They said at 5,000, you're available for the DWI, that's 7,500. Okay, how much? 7,500 for the DWI. Now,
Take the pond, the 75 on.
of course, you talk to Bill Monson and take percentage of that. I don't know what the percentage is, but it's usually substantially less. Well, 5,000 for the driver's license. Now, you can come back and, like I said, you can prove that you had a driver's license. That could probably be dropped. I'm not going to be judging the school. But, all you need to do is sign out here. Right here.
Yeah, no one here, you get so much trouble.
And it's not an admission deal, it's here, the top line.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Any questions for me?
Well, number 50,000. Yes, back there.
You want your copy or do you want to put it in
Yes,
your
I
phone?
can probably, yeah.
You can wait just a bit.
Oh, yeah, I know. Also, means that it's your second DWI. Unless present through the new. And if you get your driver's license back, you're gonna have to get an interlock device put on your vehicle. I'm gonna read this off to you. I have the initial here, just saying that I read it to you. And then, so the sender will have an interlock installed on the vehicle within 30 days of being released from mail. Okay? You'll have 30 days.
If anyone can check, well, I'm not gonna be there walking, I ain't got no way to get out, so I can check on this, no deal there, got the city license. You know, I got the, everything they wanted to do, I'll see that in the SR 42 with $100. Right now, like I said, we talked about 2 or 3 years ago, so it's that. They got me no insurance, it was about a year, also, nobody called me, told me that. Yeah, they found out, I'm ignorant to the law, I didn't know that you guys no insurance ticket that you get for the life. So I'd go for another year before I got pulled over, yeah. And then, like I say now, I thought it was over. But anyway, I get some help from y'all, you touch it off about that.
Well, that's gonna be something, I can't do that, but maybe your lawyer can.
But who could I get help for address if address is on the writing or something?
There might be somebody here that can help you out. I just believe you're right.
We'll pull you up whenever you need us, if there's any questions you have.
That's above my pay grade.
Okay, appreciate it.
Let's see, you know.
All right, so the vendor will have an interlock installed within 30 days. Okay. The vendor will only operate vehicle equipped with that device, all right? The vendor will not attempt to adjust, tamper with, circumvent the interlock system. Don't mess with the electrical wires, don't mess with the ignition, don't remove the unit from the designated vehicle. The vendor will have a unit calibrated performed every 30 days, make sure that it's still working right, that you're in compliance. The VCA calibration setting will be set at 0.025 unless otherwise. Basically, you contact these people. This phone number right here. And they'll set up, putting it on your vehicle. I just need you to initial these lines that I read in these rules here, and then you can sign it here.
Maybe all of them.
Yes, just initial on those lines. Yeah, your family, somebody you call.
Yes. Well, that's my cell phone.
No, your signature.
Yeah, what is it?
Signature.
Very good.
On the phone number.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm not even supposed to do that, man.
Just right above. Okay. That'll work.
April Mosley.
That's your name?
That's her name.
No, I need your name.
My name right there.
Yes,
Oh, you messed it up.
yes.
Which one of those babies? Okay, I'm sorry.
Just sign on top of it.
Yeah. Oh, that is.
It's all right. All right, when I get out of here, I'll pull you back out, hope to be able to help you with some questions you have, and get you a phone call, and maybe they can get some of that cleared up.
Okay. That's all right. Thank you, sir.